Good morning out there, HUMMERTrader Facebook community. Wanted to highlight a couple of new postings this morning. We have here a armored Humvee, you guys. Let's go back here and dive into this truck. Seller information will be here to the right. You scroll down here. It's a 2012 Hummer M1151. Pricing and contact information, as well as description of the truck. Now, this is the cleanest, fully armored Hummer I have seen in a very, very long time. This truck has been, looks like 100% restored. Let's dive into it. Let's look here at the right side here. If you guys are looking for a cool truck, this would be it, you guys. This is a eye catcher, definitely. It's been gone through. Look at all the gauges in here. Look at what the owner has done. It's so clean. It looks like it's brand new. And the price reflects that as well. Take a look here. It's the engine compartment. So clean. This practically is a museum piece, you guys. It's been gone through from top to bottom. Look at the undercarriage here, springs. Okay, you guys, so check out this truck. This is a great buy, actually. As I mentioned, the Hummer market has softened, and the Humvee, of course. Great time to buy. If you're looking to this, the cleanest, fully armored Humvee I have seen. Seller information is here to the right, 2012 M1151. Contact the owner. It looks like this one's out of Florida. Let's scroll further down, you guys. Here's another new addition. This has only one pick. Again, 2008 Humvee. As I mentioned before in other videos, they use Hummer for SEO purposes. It's a SLANTBAck. And seller information is here to the right. Contact the owner, call the owner, whatever information is there. Always verify the information, you guys. As I mentioned before, let's go back to the Humvee, fully armored Humvee. Always verify the information. So don't take anything for granted. Do a pre-purchase inspection. I always recommend verify the VIN numbers, verify whether it can be plated or it is plated. So set up your strategy before purchasing one of these, because if you want to use it for the street, it's going to be important to make sure you have all your titling strategy done properly, your insurance lined up, etc. So keep that in mind. If you guys want to become a member of the HUMMERTrader Facebook group here, classifieds, make sure you answer the membership question. Also agree to the rules and you're good to go. If you don't, your membership will be declined on here. HUMMERTrader.com coming soon. If you guys would like me to highlight your truck, just contact me below. I left my email information. Hope all is well with you guys. Get a hold of those owners if you're interested in those trucks. Great time to buy, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.